Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. It is very easy. I hope everyone would be able to solve it. So here is the problem. Pointing to a girl, John said, "She is the daughter of the only sister of my father. How is John related to the girl?" So as usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So if you solve this problem correctly, you should get a pedigree like this. So here's a John. So this is John. And John has father and mother. So here's a father, here's a mother. And according to our problem, father, so we see that sister of my father. So, and this is John saying. So father of John has a sister. We also can add the parents here too. So father and mother. So John's father has a sister, and his sister has a daughter. So this is what you should get. And here is a John who is pointing at this person. Again, let's follow the logic. She is the daughter of the only sister of my father. So his father, John's father, has only one sister, and she is the daughter of the only sister of my father. So he is talking about his cousin. This is answer B. So again, John would be a cousin of this girl, and this girl is going to be a cousin of a John. But question, how John related to a girl? So this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write a comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.